Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking a sharp portrait and isolating the iris. This determines realism. Open the image and duplicate the background twice so you can work non-destructively. Next, use an accurate elliptical or lasso selection around each iris, apply a 1/3px feather to soften edges, and save the selection as iris. Once done, create a new layer above the duplicates for the Sharingan painting. This gives you undue safety and preserves original color information for later blending and dodge/burn work. You now build the Sharingan look by painting and layering effects. Fill the selected iris with a deep red on its own layer and experiment with color or overlay blend modes to keep natural shading. Draw 3 black tomo or comma shapes on a separate layer, scale and warp them to match perspective, and place them evenly around the pupil. Once positioned, add an inner glow and a subtle radial gradient for depth. Then apply a 30-60% Gaussian, blur selectively to mimic light scattering. Finish by refining edges and compositing the effect into the photo. Use a soft mask to reduce harsh borders, lower layer opacity until the red reads natural, and dodge or burn at 2-6% to restore specular highlights and pupil depth. Add 1/3% film grain to integrate texture and apply targeted sharpening at 40-60% just on the iris to retain detail. If colors shift, correct with selective color or curves on an adjustment layer, and make sure to clip it to the iris layer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.